Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a couple cases that are brought to us by Xdoria, and these are going to give you the ultimate protection for your new iPhone. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, if you're looking for a case that's going to give you the ultimate protection, and I do mean the ultimate protection, you may want to consider these products from Xdoria. They feature 10-foot drop test protection, meaning that if you were to drop your phone from waist height or even higher, it's going to protect your phone and it will survive. And if you've ever gone through the repair process for an iPhone, you know that that is critical. They're made out of great, I would say, material, and they look absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead and take a look at each one of these, how they fit our new iPhone Max and our standard iPhone, and see if they wirelessly charge.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now both of these cases fall in the Lux line, and as we take a look at, we'll take a look at this one right here first. You have a nice leather-like finish in the back, metal finish all the way around, and it's a very, very firm frame. So as you press the sides, there's really no give there. As we take a look at this side, the material right here, this TPU material, you press it, it really doesn't have any give at all, giving you some really nice protection all around. And this pattern in the inside is going to make sure that if you do drop your phone, it disperses any kind of impact so that it absorbs it and your phone doesn't. They also feature this speaker, I would say, front grille. So you notice right here that the speaker here is covered, but then over here it's open. So this speaker is going to go front facing, it's going to come in front, which I really, really like. And then also on the top, you'll notice over here that you have all the nice cutouts and everything that you need in order to be able to have a great camera experience. When we take a look at this case here, it shares a lot of the same attributes. It's a little bit smaller, great protection. But this is kind of like a bling bling, I would say, version. Nice glitter back, and depending on the color of your iPhone, this is going to make your iPhone stand out as well. Again, metal frame still all the way around, not as bright as this one, but you still have this nice glitter effect going on here. So let's go ahead and put on our phones and see if they wireless. Alright, so we have our first phone inside the case. Let's take a look at the screen protection that you get. You'll notice how high up this lip is, and it does a really nice job of protecting your phone all the way around. So you can see how nicely that's protecting the screen because of how high it is. You have nice bumper protection on each one of the sides, so you can see that. The buttons over here, you can see how they're protected. So here you have your little toggle as well as your volume rocker. Here you have your other button there, easily accessible. And then on the back, notice how much depth you have on your camera, giving you, again, a lot of protection there. Ports, simple. And then again, that front-facing speaker option right there is really nice as well. Now if we try the wireless charging, go ahead and put it on the brick, you'll notice that the charging symbol came up. Little charging light is taking place as well, so that's a thumbs up for charging. As we take a look at the smaller version, here we have our standard iPhone, and again, shares similar attributes. Great protection, and this iPhone actually has a glass screen protector on it. So this one, you'll notice that it still goes above the glass screen protector, has the nice bumpers on each side. On the back, you'll notice good camera protection. You'll notice here the volume rockers are a little bit more pronounced, so they come out a bit. You can see that right there. And then you have, again, that toggle for the vibration lock is there as well. We'll see if this one wirelessly charges. Put it right on top, turns on, and the little charging symbol also works. So thumbs up there as well. So guys, that concludes our review of the Defense Lux series from Xdoria, available today for both of your new iPhones. They both survive wireless charging, as you saw with a big thumbs up, and they're great cases that give you ultimate 10-foot drop protection for your iPhone. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.